If you want to have something that you never had before, you have to do something that you have never done before. Today, we'll not just talk about how to become successful, but we'll redefine the success. I will not tell you what everyone tells you. You will hear from various people qualities of successful people such as confidence, decision making, leadership, excellence, passion for work, developing skill sets, talents, etc. These are great things, but now it has become old news. We all know it. I'm gonna tell you practical way to be successful. Real success is a excellence. It's not just about becoming famous and earning more. These are byproducts. When you start seeing and experiencing yourself bigger than these things, your experience of life, your actions become so creative and so powerful, you achieve all these things effortlessly. But again, the real success comes from the within. How much your inner space, how much your cognitions, your ideas are aligned with the cosmic principles. Success and failure are cyclical. They keep coming and going. Excellence is not about competition with anyone. It is about giving your 100%. When you live life consciously, excellence becomes your lifestyle. That's real success in life. When you live unconsciously, it's habits, and habits make you slave. So first principle is live consciously. If you do it, all your habits that are reason for your failure will drop, and excellence will be your lifestyle. Money, popularity can come and go. It's temporary. Success and failures keep coming and going. But excellence is the quality of your inner being that comes by being conscious every moment. Let's move to the second principle. Don't run behind anything with restlessness of mind's activities forcefully. Faster you try to run, faster the target will move away from you. You will finally remain tired and frustrated. So you don't have to engage in any activity because it's out of unconsciousness. It's out of Maya, delusion of minds, and life does not support it. It's out of unbalanced rajas and tamas energies. You don't have to run behind anything. You own everything inside you. Running behind objects, images is out of delusion. The third principle is excellence comes out of your true self. And your true self is Ananda. That means bliss. All the art, creativity, beauty, maths or science, all the great things in the world comes out of your true nature. That is of Sachidananda. Sat means your supreme truth. Chit means your consciousness. Ananda means experience of bliss. All misery comes out of your delusional ego identity. More you work from selfishness, more you do mistakes. It brings suffering and failures. Success secret is drop your ego identity which is violent in nature. Allow your real self to express itself, which is blissful in nature. So anything that is coming out of your blissfulness is always beautiful and always lead to success. And anything that comes out of your ego identity is violent in nature, is selfish in nature, and it always leads to the failure. Fourth principle is no matter in which field you want to achieve excellence, you will have role models or gurus like whom you want to become. Be filled with them. Let's say you want to be a great artist. So what you have to do is whenever your role model are presenting some art, become them. focus so much on them that you will feel and experience that you are not separate from them, but you are only presenting that art. And your inner space and their inner space is one and the same. Also, whenever you are creating piece of art yourself, feel that you are filled with your gurus and feel that they are doing everything. Feel the power, the energy, the confidence of them. Allow yourself to drop and surrender yourself and feel that you are filled with them, with their passion, excitement and joy. I call this as dharana, where you allow power of all pervasive divine source to express through you. Dharana means carrying the creator, the ultimate artist in you. Excellence comes from your inner bliss, your consciousness, your true self, and that's Supreme Creator Himself. So, if you have noticed, your ego identity creates mess until you engage with mind's restlessness. Become silent by being aware. Practice meditations. This will make your ego identity to disappear and allow your true self to express. And you will become excellent in all areas of your life. And that's real success.